That's strange. I've never seen this street before. Did I walk into tomorrow? Ben, what are you doing here? You won't believe what just happened. You dreamed it. Where did this come from? I saw that. So, maybe you're telling the truth. Good morning, everyone. Have these houses always been here? What does that mean?
Some streets hide wonderful secrets.
Did you see that? For Ben. Every door shows one possible tomorrow. Tomorrow changes when today's choice changes. So the future isn't fixed. Another door. They're together, but they don't look happy. A conversation can change tomorrow, so something happens today. What did tomorrow teach you? It gave us a chance. What does it open?
The next tomorrow is waiting.
This must be the place. It has been waiting for you. It feels like time stopped here. I've never seen so my letters.
This isn't an ordinary post office. It delivers hope.
Hope?
Letters from possible tomorrows.
Tomorrow grows where today listens. So one small choice changed everything. The future changes quietly. Visit them today. Then let's go.
Good afternoon. We're helping our neighbors today.
Can we plant flowers with you?
Excuse me, sir. I think Mia wants to show you something. You planted these?
You change tomorrow.
He's all alone.
A friend who says hello changes the day. That sounds simple.
The biggest changes often begin with the smallest words. We're not here to change everyone's future. We're here to help them choose a better one.
Oh no! What's happening? Someone has opened a tomorrow that should never be seen. What is that door?
It was supposed to stay locked forever. Maybe we shouldn't go inside.
Listen carefully. The colorful doors show possible tomorrows, but this one shows the tomorrow that everyone is trying to avoid.
I hoped I would never see it again.
You know about this place?
I do.
This doesn't feel like tomorrow.
This is Memory Street. I don't like this place. Neighbors stopped visiting one another. That's so sad.
They're memories. They cannot hear us.
Oh, that.
Every tomorrow begins with one choice today. That's the same lesson. That can't be right.
I've seen this before. One tomorrow is disappearing. There were never supposed to be two keys.
They want us to go different ways, but we should stay together.
We will. The future isn't about choosing between people. It's about choosing together.
That was the first test. Something is wrong.
Come on.
Why are they all different?
This is the tomorrow clock.
Every family has many possible tomorrows. The clock never chooses. It only remembers.
The family we helped. Family we helped. But we already helped them.
Yesterday's kindness cannot replace today's.
He promised to come home early.
Good afternoon.
Some jobs can wait. My family can't.
You didn't change the future. You reminded someone about what mattered most. Why is my family's door dark?
No one has opened that door in generations!
I think it's finally time for you to learn why Quiet Lane chose you. What is this place?
This is the room of choices. It remembers every kind decision that changed someone's tomorrow.
So every picture tells a real story. Why is it empty? Because it hasn't happened yet. Hello, Ben. I'm not your future. I'm one of your possible tomorrows. Possible? Every choice creates another tomorrow. They're all good. They're all good.
There isn't one perfect future. There are many beautiful futures. What matters is the choices you make today.
That is your story. Hi, over here. We're so glad you made it. We're so glad you made it. Steery, I heard the says harmony cream. How's see? You heard Miragar. Who is it for? The next child who is ready.
It always knows when its work is finished.
It doesn't look magical anymore.
Look closer. No. It simply moved into people's hearts.
That's where it truly belongs. Tomorrow always begins with today. Did you really travel into tomorrow?
Maybe.
Or maybe tomorrow visited us.
The future isn't hiding behind a door. It's waiting inside every choice we make.